उद्देश्य है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आज के प्रतिभागियों को अवगत कराएं। डॉक्टर सुनील लूथरा जी। लूथरा सर।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Please take this.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So, once again, I welcome all. And I thank the authors of this book, Professor Jamna and Professor Tiwari. So, today we are discussing, before going further, we will learn from Professor Jamna and Professor Tiwari what are salient feature of this book. Before going to that, just I want to tell that why we are doing so much hard work, because we want to familiarize our technical books as in Indian language as part of Indian outcome based education. So what we are doing, we are creating original content in English books. Let's say one book is prepared in English, and again we are translating into Indian languages, so that this scheme is called AICTE Technical Book Writing and Translation. This means to promote use of Indian languages in the Indian scheduled languages in the field of technical education. So AICTE is basically as a facilitator to provide the opportunity for newest development by granting financial support to distinguished faculty members, writers, translators. Ultimately, this is increase creation of treasures of latest technical knowledge, incorporating development by grant of financial support. So, in this, we are already, you all aware of that. Already first year books are completed. Vivek, last slide, please. Last slide. Already completed. In second year, almost we are towards completion. In case of original book writing, because in second year total 87 books, most of have been written, and translation work is going on. We are utilizing more than 600 faculty member services as author, reviewer, translator. These books are translated into 12 Indian languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Punjabi, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, Malayalam, Urdu, Odia, and Assamese. Next slide, please. And these books, these original content as well as translated books are available on E-Kumbh portal. Vivek, last slide, please. Last slide. On E-Kumbh portal, E-Kumbh is unique platform where all the books are available, freely accessible, freely downloadable. So AICTE focus is to promote quality education, that is everyone can read in their own languages. This E-Kumbh portal was launched by Honorable President of India on 11th November 2022. And beauty of this all books are freely accessible, open access books, so anyone can read, download these books, and authors, students can read their own language, their own mother tongue. Right nowadays, these books are outcome-based books in Indian languages as well as outcome-based books. So nowadays we are covering 5 disciplines: civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and mechanical engineering. And we are also planning to target further some more disciplines. We also covered management books. We have collaboration with IGNU for management books. All the management books are available OINL content is available on our E-Kumbh portal, and regarding translation work of management books are already going on. So, as I told you, this as NEP 2020 vision. In that, after that, AICTE started engineering education in Indian languages. This scheme was started in 21-22. AICTE, there are many institutes in country who are promoting technical courses in Indian languages. For example, Haryana Hindi Medium 29 Institute, Maharashtra, more than 180 polytechnics are using this Marathi medium in more than 180 polytechnics. 11 states nowadays, 11 states are offering courses in Indian languages, and 7 languages are there which courses are available. So these courses covered by 9 disciplines, and we are converting these OINL technical books into 12 Indian languages, and very soon planning to go for 22 scheduled languages. Right. So far we have discussed book discussion programs 28. So in as I already told you, this is 29th session, and we have almost completed our first year OINL book work as well as translation work. Now second year, out of 87 books, 68 books are OINL books are completed, and remaining are in process, near about to completion. So these all books are open education resources, open book resources. In third year, 32 books UG, 32 books of UG, and 16 for diploma, that is 48. 4 books we have already received, and rest are in the web. Management books, I already told you, AICTE already put management has collaboration with IGNU already. Management books are available on the E-Kumbh. Next slide, Vivek, please. Next slide, please. Next slide. So I request all the authors, all the students if here. So I request all, please promote this E-Kumbh portal. This is very unique portal. All the books are, especially second year books, are open accessible. Some of first year books are not open access due to some publisher restriction. Also, we are trying to do open access very soon. Second year books are already on the open access. This is very ecomb.aict-india.org. This is our portal domain name, and these are most downloaded books on E-Kumbh portal. And till date, more than 10 lakhs hits on this E-Kumbh. I request all the authors, all the readers, students, please go through this E-Kumbh, promote as much as possible technical education in Indian languages. Next slide, Vivek, please. Thank you. With these words, I conclude. So once again, I welcome authors Professor Jamna and Professor Tiwari. So, ma'am, Professor Jamna ke. Professor Jamna ke. Reena ma'am.
Professor Jamna?
She wrote the message not audible.
I think yes, sir. मैं
Vivek?
मतलब आमंत्रित
Unmute
करती हूँ
yourself.
Yeah, please. I welcome Professor Nilanjan Tiwari. He is a co-author in this book. I also, Jamna ma'am?
सर जुड़े तो है सर, ऑडिबल नहीं है।
हैं?
डॉक्टर नीलांजन तिवारी, जब तक सर से बात हो पाती, आप इस पुस्तक के विषय में कुछ जानकारी विद्यार्थियों को दे, किस प्रकार से पुस्तक लिखी गई, क्या चुनौतियां रही, किस प्रकार ये हमारे विद्यार्थियों को सहयोग देगी उनकी एजुकेशन प्राप्त करने में। तो आप थोड़ा सा इस पुस्तक की विशेषताओं के बारे में स्टूडेंट को बताएं। सर यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल। Yeah, now you are on.
Okay, we made a presentation, ma'am. Can we share the presentation?
Yes, sir. You may share, sir.
Okay.
The same out.
I connected with them.
Yeah. मुझे मेरा फोन देखो फोन का है।
Screen दिख रहा है?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
सभी को good afternoon.
जी सर।
Yes. So our book is Electric Circuit and Network. It was written for the second year diploma level book. And the book authored by Dr. Jamuna K. She is the professor in the School of Electrical Engineering, and I am the co-author of the book, working in the same department as associate professor.
Sir,
So firstly, we want to be yes, ma'am.
sir, your voice is not clear.
Is it? Is it clear, ma'am, now?
Now it is.
Okay, fine.
Some mic issue.
Maybe some. So we are grateful to the authorities of AICTE, particularly Siddharth Sitaraman sir, Chairman, Abhay Jere sir, Vice Chairman, Rajiv Kumar sir, Member Secretary, and Ramesh Unnikrishnan sir, who was the advisor. And we are deeply thankful to Sunil sir, who has constantly encouraged us to publish the book and to write the book right from the beginning. And we are obliged to our reviewer, who is Dr. Tapan Pradhan from NIT Silchar. So these are the course outcomes defined actually for this particular course. We have defined the outcomes as to understand and solve problems, as it is a numerical related course. So mostly we have defined the COs based upon the numericals. So to understand and solve problems related to single phase AC series and parallel circuits. Next CO is to apply principles of circuit analysis and network theorems for troubleshooting electric circuits. And third CO is to interpret and solve problems related to three-phase circuit. Next CO is related to transient behavior of electrical circuits. And the last was to analyze the electric circuit using graph theory and two-port network. So we have total 5 units are there. First unit is talking about the steady state response of single phase series and parallel circuit. Second unit is about the star delta transformation, mesh analysis, node analysis, and theorems of AC circuit. Third unit explains the three phase system with star delta connections, balanced loading, unbalanced loading, power calculations, and power measurement techniques. Next unit talks about the first order and second order time domain response of source free circuits. Step response of different electric circuits are also explained here, and we have mentioned the Laplace transformation, application of Laplace transformation for the circuit analysis. The last unit includes the graph theory concepts for analyzing electric circuits and two-port network. That two-port network, it includes the impedance parameters, admittance parameters, ABCD parameters, and hybrid parameters. So these are the few highlights of the books. We have included around 100 numerical examples, 198 exercise questions. Then we have also given questions for practical sessions unit wise. Then almost 355 figures are included in the whole book for the illustration. And we have included the LT Spice simulation examples also. All of us are aware that LT Spice is an open source software. So anyone can download that LT Spice and use the software. So we have given a stepwise solved LT Spice simulation examples in this book. Then we have included a few expectations also from the ICT that I hope if the email communication is reaching to the academic community about all the books, then it will be very good. Few books we are getting the email communications. Few books we have not got the information, so we directly logged into the portal and checked it. Similarly, our book also, no common mail has been reached, I hope. And the ISBN is given in the book. We have searched it. It is not a searchable ISBN. That means we could not search that one. So that also for all the books, not only for our book, it is for all the books. We have searched the ISBN Google search. So it is not appearing. So if it is appearing, then student can easily find the books using that also. And periodic, we are receiving some feedbacks and all for improving books and all. So if some opportunity is given to us for periodic revision of books, it will be very good. Similarly, one competition later, the reviewer, we have got a request from the NIT Censor professor to get a completion letter for on behalf of him I'm representing. He cannot join the meeting because of his rescheduled meeting. And we are also eager to get some future opportunity from AICTE for writing some original or translated books. So these are the about the book informations. Now it is open forum.
Books. So many books are available in the market. How this book is different?
Sir, actually, what we have tried to include different type of numerical examples instead of similar type. In some books, what is happening that same type of examples 10, 20 they have given. But what we have we try to minimize the repetition in the problems. All the problems are different types, so that the student will get a holistic idea, and step by step that elaborations are there in most of the cases where they need to use the theory. They need to use some other technique like two-port networks and all these things. So step by step elaborations is there. And third is the uniqueness of the book is that LT Spice examples. As we are aware that LT Spice is a free software, so all of us can download and use that one. And even for the practical sessions also, all the professors and the students community, they can make use of that one.
Thank you. Sir, can you come to that slide so that my staff can note down the suggestions, whatever you have given for AICTE, and definitely we will work on that.
It's just a small suggestion.
Yeah. Reena ma'am, Avdeshji, please note down. Email communication to academic community about the books. We are trying whenever book is uploaded on the E-Kumbh, the bulk mail goes to every faculty in AICTE approved institution, every faculty, right?
Yes.
We are
Yes.
doing mail to faculty members as well as concerned directors or vice chancellor of the university or concerned director principal of the college. So email communication we are continuously doing, sir, right? as book is uploaded on the E-Kumbh. So searchable ISBN, definitely I will look for that, how we can do, because these are open source books, so it should be searchable.
Yes,
Thank you for good
John.
suggestion, because I was not aware it was searchable ISBN or not.
Yes,
I will
no.
definitely check,
Yes,
and
I'm
how it is
now
possible,
doing.
definitely we will go for that. Opportunity for periodic revision, definitely, sir. We are very open to receive feedbacks. Whenever we receive the feedback, we directly forward to authors. These are in few books, some corrections was there, some minor. So author can review and change. If you feels, sir, I want to revise this portion in my book. So you can,
Yes, sir.
because
Yes, sir.
you can. Anytime you will
Okay, sir.
write to us, sir, I want to revise my book, this. You can. Minor revision, major revision, whatever you will request, we will we will approve that. Right? We
Thank
will
you.
ask
Thanks.
for approval. And definitely,
Yes.
sir, completion letter certificate from AICTE. Whenever book is completed, this book is on E-Kumbh. Our staff will send this completion certificate. Thank you note, that is completion with the signature of Honorable Chairman AICTE, right?
Sir?
And future opportunity. Yeah, ma'am. Let me complete.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. I am Jamana here.
Yeah, let me complete that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Future opportunity for writing original books and translated book. Sir, yes, now we have started third year, and we will be happy. We will be more happy. So all the opportunities in AICTE are open for all, right? In any opportunity you feel that you are eligible, please apply. You are welcome, and definitely we will try to consider, because those we also look for authors, reviewer who performed well. Yeah. Meanwhile, Professor Jamna is also here, so we want to hear her also. So, ma'am, please,
Yes, sir.
welcome.
Sir, good afternoon, everyone. So, as Nilanjan sir has mentioned, that let us we thank the AICTE and members of the AICTE for giving this opportunity. I hope we both have done this work, and I thank it as Nilanjan Tiwari also for taking part of this one. And in this one, so most of the queries that is we have raised by together, it is we have Nilanjan sir has presented. As mentioned, it is if there is any other options that is available, we try to improve your things. And in further also, we wanted to collaborate with AICTE, sir. Thank you for this, your opportunity.
Thank you. Now stage is open for queries. I request readers directly, please ask your queries, your suggestions, your feedback. Please communicate with author. Author is author of this book are with us, so you can ask directly. You can raise your hands or unmute yourself, please. Sir, one question is there. I have to ask from sir that software is applicable to transient part of each part of the book, sir.
Yes, sir. Transient analysis.
And we have included some example also in unit number 4 regarding the transient analysis.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you able to hear, sir?
Sir, you are muted here.
So sorry. Software is applicable.
Yes, sir. Software is applicable for the transient analysis also.
Okay.
And that
Next
software
query.
is open source software, so anyone can download and use that.
Yeah. Next query, please. Next query is suggestion. Anyone? Amar Kiran? Professor Anuradha More?
Bank.
Any suggestions? Okay. So, before final proceeding, just I request once again all the readers, please promote these books, because these books are first important salient feature of these books as these books are outcome based education part, and these books are open accessible, right? Open resources. These books are open resources, and most important, these books are also available their own mother tongue. We are trying our best to facilitate this technical education in their own mother tongue also, right? Definitely, please recommend these books to your student, because you are also faculty members here. We all belongs to teaching community. So I request all the faculty members, please promote these books to your student. Note it will definitely, let's say, one content available in English. These all books are as per our model curriculum, latest model curriculum 2019 or somewhat latest model curriculum is available. These books are as per model curriculum. So I request all to promote as much as possible with your students, your faculty members, your colleagues. So it will help students, because let's say student is even English medium student is facing some problem in understanding concept in English language. So same subject he can download a book in his or her mother tongue, and he can understand the concepts very easily. Definitely these books are very helpful for those students. Yes, Vivek, some queries are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, one
Vivek?
query is there. Yes, sir. In chat box, one query is there that, and the question bank is related to comparative examination. I have competitive examination. I hope he is talking about. Yes.
I hope
I hope all the questions are answered.
Sir,
Shall I add the point, sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir, we have
Yeah, please, ma'am.
we have objective type questions were given for the particular content. Every chapter we have this. Every chapters we have added it is subjective type questions with choices will be given.
Professor Sayok, any query?
Professor Suyog.
Okay. Ma'am, one more query is there. What does outcome-based meaning? What does outcome-based meaning? This is actually Bloomberg's taxonomy. So it is. I request first authors to explain. Then I will explain. Yes, Jabna ma'am. What do you mean by outcome-based? This
Yes.
outcome-based meaning?
By looking the
Content
of the
chapters,
chapters,
the
the students may able to
learn
learn about certain concept that has been mentioned,
has been verified through the some mode of mean of evaluation. We have given it is the one kind, it is the LT spice, it is they can be simulate and they can be verify their knowledge level by executing that problems. That is the one way we have verified that one. Similarly, some of the example problems, whichever it is given, they could able to do it and apply to the application problems.
One more addition along with that, that outcome-based learning, it is applicable for all AICTE approved courses. And that outcome-based meaning that a tangible outcome we are measuring when the student is completing the course. So after completion the course, if the students are able to do this course outcomes can be fulfilled, that means the outcome is fulfilled.
In each book, I also want to add, in each book you will see on very first pages, you will see the table of outcomes. So these are outcomes after completing the course, right? So you will find the table. These after completing first chapter, you will learn this, you will learn this, you will learn this, right? This is, we can say that end of you can learn by doing. As all question related to RBT level, sir.
RBT, what does it, your meaning, Suresh sir, can you please elaborate? That means RBT, normally we are checking that risk-based testing. What is your understanding, RBT level?
Revised Bloom's taxonomy, sir.
Yes, that we are, the course outcome itself actually done as per the Bloom's taxonomy, and the question and the chapters are oriented so that each outcome will be fulfilled in each chapters.
Thank you, sir.
And accordingly the questions are there. Yes.
I think Suresh sir, RBT level means six steps of this Bloom's taxonomy. So with these 6 steps means they are all question related to remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating, so on. So all Suresh sir, as
Yes.
I know,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
as I know, initially level 1, level 2, level 3, it's mixture of all overlapping steps, not all questions related to RBT level. So I think so. Yes, it's these questions will be definitely overlapping level.
And I hope as it is a second year level, we have concentrated up to the apply level. So beyond that we have.
So evaluation and creative level is not mentioned in the questions, I think.
Creativity and this, as it is a theory, that means it is a basic level book, sir. So basic level book up to apply level we can do circuit theory. I hope third year and final year when they study some other courses there, that will be applicable. Circuit theory is up to apply level.
Yes, sir. Yes. Right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other query?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I think
E-Kumbh link is available. E-Kumbh link is available in the chat box. AICTE E-Kumbh link is available in the chat box. So just you can search AICTE E-Kumbh, you will find it. search on the Google AICTE E-Kumbh, right? Any other query, Vivek? Any pending query?
Dr. Arun raised hand.
Yeah, please, ma'am. Vivek, unmute Professor Arun.
Or Jairam, sir. Jairam also. Anyone?
Yeah, ma'am. Ask Vivek to unmute them.
Sir, he is unmuted.
Okay. Is this books applicable for BCA course? If some subject related to BCA, then sir, what you will suggest?
So if that particular university is
Is
having
this
the
book
circuit theory course, sir, if the circuit theory subject is there in that particular program, then it is applicable. I do not know whether in that particular university BCA program includes the circuit theory course or not. If it is included, then it is applicable.
Okay, Jairam ji. Unmute है विवेक.
यस मैम, ये अनम्यूटेड है, इनके कुछ माइक में इशू आ रहा है.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है ना. और ये अरुण जी ने हाथ उठाया.
You can even type the questions also. We try to answer.
Yeah, you can
Chat.
also put in the chat box.
No anymore.
Reena ma'am, I think no more queries.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we request through you to everyone to download the book and use the book, and a special thank you to you to your continuous encouragement and support throughout the journey of writing the book from both of us, myself and Jamna
Definitely.
madam.
Thank
Both
you,
of
sir.
you, thank you.
Thank you.
At the same time, the last time we couldn't able to meet you in person when you are visiting
Yeah,
the
yeah,
IIT Chennai, sir.
I was.
We are sorry,
when
both
I
of them
was
is
in
not
a-
able to see you on the day.
Yeah. Anyhow, next time I will come and VIT. Definitely, I will be.
Thank you, sir.
Reena ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Thank you, Dr. Nilanjan. Thank you, Dr. Jamna, and all the participants. सभी का हार्दिक धन्यवाद. आप दोनों का धन्यवाद. आपने ये पुस्तकें लिखकर हमारा सहयोग किया और हमारी जो योजना थी राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति के अनुपालन में, उसको आपने सफल बनाया. तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. अवश्य ही ये पुस्तकें हमारे विद्यार्थियों के लिए बहुत लाभकारी होंगी. और सभी जो हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनमें माननीय शिक्षक हैं और सभी विद्यार्थी हैं. तो मैं सभी विद्यार्थियों से अनुरोध करूंगी, आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज consult these books and read. They are very useful, and I request to all the teachers, please recommend this book for your student. और सभी को इसके बारे में आप जानकारी भी दें, अधिक से अधिक लोग. आप अपने जो साथी प्रोफेसर हैं, क्योंकि ये योजना चल रही है लगातार. अभी तृतीय वर्ष की थर्ड ईयर की पुस्तकें लिखवाई जा रही है, फिर उनका अनुवाद भी चल रहा है. और ये भी एक महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी है कि जो पुस्तक अब ई-कुंभ पे अंग्रेजी में उपलब्ध है, वो सभी भारतीय भाषाओं में भी धीरे धीरे कुछ समय में आ जाएंगी. तो जिनको भाषा के संदर्भ में भी एक बहुत बड़ा लाभ विद्यार्थियों के लिए होगा. तो मेरा यही अनुरोध है कि अधिक से अधिक इन पुस्तकों का, इस योजना का प्रचार प्रसार आप अपने विद्यार्थियों तक और अपने सहयोगियों तक करें, ताकि ये योजना सफल हो सके और राष्ट्र हित में एक बहुत बड़ा काम हो सके. और ये बहुत बड़ा सच है कि ये एक परिवर्तनकारी पहल थी अखिल भारतीय तकनीकी शिक्षा परिषद की, और पुस्तकें लिखने वाले आप लेखकों का भी इतिहास में नाम दर्ज होगा. एक बिल्कुल पूर्णतः परिवर्तन करने का, तकनीकी और प्रबंधन शिक्षा को एकदम से, जहां पर कोई शब्द ही यूज नहीं होता था, कल्पना ही नहीं, शिक्षा हमारी भारतीय भाषाओं में या उनमें आएगी. और AICTE जैसी विनियामक संस्था पुस्तकें लिखवाने का कार्य करेगी. तो एक बेसिक स्तर पर जाकर सोचा गया. तो आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. सभी प्रतिभागियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ मैं डॉक्टर लूथरा का, कि वो इतनी निष्ठा से और बहुत परिश्रम पूर्वक इस योजना को सफलता पूर्वक ले जा रहे हैं और हमेशा इसके लिए समय निकालते हैं. तो सभी का हार्दिक धन्यवाद.
Thank you all. Thank you,
Thank
Reena
you,
ma'am.
sir.
धन्यवाद सर. Thank you, sir. Luthra
Thank
sir,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.